In this video, you'll learn how to reduce or remove echo in Microsoft Teams and other communication apps. Echo can be distracting during calls and meetings, but in most cases it's easy to fix with a few simple adjustments. Let's go over the most common causes and solutions. Echo usually happens when your microphone picks up sound coming from your speakers, when multiple devices join the same meeting, or when audio settings are not configured correctly. The easiest and most effective fix is to use headphones or a headset. This prevents your microphone from capturing audio from your speakers, which is the main cause of echo. Next, check your audio device settings. In Microsoft Teams, click three dots beside on your profile picture, open Settings, and go to Devices. Make sure the correct microphone and speaker are selected. Using the wrong device can cause feedback and echo. Lowering your speaker volume can also help. If the volume is too high, your microphone may pick it up and send it back into the call. It's also a good habit to mute your microphone when you're not speaking. This reduces background noise and prevents accidental echo from typing or movement. If you're joining the same meeting on more than one device, such as a laptop and a phone, mute or leave the meeting on one of them. Multiple active microphones in the same room almost always create echo. Your environment also matters. Large rooms or rooms with hard surfaces can reflect sound and cause echo. Using curtains, carpets, or other soft materials can help absorb sound and improve audio quality. Finally, make sure your communication apps are up to date. Updates often include audio improvements and bug fixes that help reduce echo issues. These tips work not only for Microsoft Teams, but also for other communication apps like Zoom, Google Meet, and Skype. That's how to reduce or remove echo in Microsoft Teams and other communication apps. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.